In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cursor AI effectively for coding. To get the best results, start by giving Cursor precise context. Think of it like onboarding a teammate. Use the @codebase feature so it can index your project and point it to relevant folders when a task touches a specific area, like a front-end component library or an API module. If you have product specs, database schemas, or architecture diagrams, paste those directly into the chat. The goal is to let Cursor see the files, the directory structure, and any docs that influence the work so it can reason with the same information you have. When you write prompts, speak to Cursor the way you would guide a junior developer. Be explicit about the goal, constraints, and definitions of done. Mention the framework version, target files, any patterns to follow, and how to verify success. If you have preferences, like functional components, a certain HTTP client, or a testing framework, state them. The more grounded your prompt is in your codebase and standards, the stronger the first draft will be. Next, lean on Cursor's built-in tools. Inline Edit is your scalpel for precise changes. Highlight a block of code, describe exactly what to modify, and let Cursor propose a diff you can accept or tweak. When the task spans multiple files or requires planning, switch to Agent mode. It will outline steps, make coordinated edits, and keep track of dependencies. Use YOLO for testing its plans safely before applying changes, so you can catch mistakes early. And when it's time to commit, have Cursor draft a clear commit message that summarizes what changed and why. You can refine the message to match your repository's style. To keep quality consistent across the project, create the Cursor rules file. This is where you encode your standards, stack choices, code style conventions, naming rules, error handling patterns, security notes, and performance guidelines. Cursor will apply these rules automatically when generating code and explanations. Update this file as your project evolves so new tasks inherit the latest expectations. Finally, start a new chat for every new task. Isolating threads keeps context focused, avoids crosstalk between unrelated goals, and makes it easier to track decisions later. Give each chat a clear title and recap the outcome at the end so you can return to it with confidence. Combine rich context, detailed prompts, the right Cursor tools, a solid .cursor rules file, and disciplined chat hygiene, and you'll turn Cursor into a reliable coding partner that ships clean, consistent work fast.